I wanted to create, with artificial intelligence, the picture of the ideal girlfriend receiving a Christmas gift. It seemed easy, but I ran into many problems with AI tools, and so, along the way, I also created monsters. Here's the process I had to follow. Using DALL-E, ChatGPT, PromeAI, PhotoAI, Leonardo AI, Magnific AI. I aim to capture the sulky expression of this little girl. Since the description for the AI must be extremely precise, I had my photo described by two ChatGPT plugins, Super Describe and Prompt Perfect. First issue: some tools just stop working when they see photos of women or girls and generate nothing. So I used Super Describe. Although today I would use the new plugins, which make it much easier to generate almost perfect images, but more on that in the next video. With the Super Describe description, DALL-E managed to generate some nice sulky-faced children. But back then, DALL-E didn't yet create logos and text in images, so had to add the GoPro logo on the box in Affinity Photo V2. I was hoping PhotoAI, with the starting photo and the perfect description, would generate my virtual girlfriend. Unfortunately, using the copycat function, you can't be specific about which part of the image should serve as inspiration. So PhotoAI generated beautiful models holding the box, but it kept the proportions of the original little girl. So I thought, I'll take photos of myself with the right pose and expression and pass it to PhotoAI. I'll tell you about this part, but tomorrow, in the next video. Oh, and since I don't like how my voice sounds, this is my voice cloned with artificial intelligence. Do you like it, or does it feel odd?
And this is my real voice, with my weird Italian accent. Do you prefer it?
Or should I continue experimenting with the AI voice?